Have you ever wanted to find every single comment you have ever posted on Instagram? Here is exactly how to do it. Start by opening the Instagram app. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Now tap your activity. Then select Comments. Here you will see every comment you've posted on Instagram, all in one place. You can simply scroll through the list to find all the comments. But Instagram also gives you a few useful tools to make things much easier. You can sort your comments from newest to oldest or oldest to newest, depending on what you're looking for. You can also use Filter by Date to narrow down your search, or Filter by Author if you manage multiple profiles and want to find comments from a specific account. If you just want to review your comments, you can stop here. But if you'd like to remove some of them, Instagram makes that easy too. Tap Select in the top right corner. Then tap each comment you want to delete. You can select one comment or multiple comments at the same time. Once you've selected them, tap Delete at the bottom, then tap Delete again to confirm. If a comment also appears on Facebook because the original post or reel was shared there, Instagram lets you know that deleting it here will remove it from both Instagram and Facebook. And that's it. That's how you can find every comment you've ever posted on Instagram. Organize them with filters and delete any comments you no longer want to keep. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips.